Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to withdraw money from Stripe using your phone. It's a very simple and quick process, and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome. Once you're on your browser, navigate to the Stripe official website. Now simply log in and go to your account. And once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, here you can see the three lines icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Here you can see the balances section. Tap on balances. In the balance section, you will see your available balance and pending balances. Only the available balance is the amount you can withdraw. And in order to withdraw, you need to link your bank account to Stripe. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, here you can see edit settings option. Tap on it. You can link your bank accounts over here. As you can see, I've already linked my bank account to my Stripe. And also you can schedule your payouts. It can be every day, every week, or every month. You can choose accordingly. So once you have linked your bank account to your Stripe, with your balance available in your Stripe account, you can easily confirm your payout to initiate the withdrawal. And that's it. Your money will be transferred to your bank account according to your payout schedule. You can check the status of your payout in the payout section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.